If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day. All my YouTube subscribers that are watching say, oh my god, I should join Twitch's live streams and watch him react to K-pop and play video games with him. Sometimes horror games because he's a little biatch when he plays them. And it's true, I did. I was screaming like a little biatch. Anyways, we're going to be checking out Rebel Heart. IVE just came out with, how long ago was this? 4 days ago. I am late. IVE Rebel Heart, let's get it, let's go, let's begin. What the hell? Rebels in your heart. Oh. Are we dancing in front of the car? Oh. Ooh, blue eyes. Sorry. Guinea pig. Oh. Ray! Bro, can I just appreciate, hold up. Can I just appreciate, shout out to, I live for all of Ray's TikToks. I live for them. Like, they're weird. Not all of them are weird, but most of them are weird, and I just love every moment. Just want to put it out there. Oh, I like her outfit. Me too, girl. I like oranges. Is she skating? Oh, she's on a bike. Are you late? Let's go, birthday twin. Lux, thank you so much for subscribing. Tier 1. Oh my god, 61 months. God dang. Listen here, Wan Young. I said her name right. Yeah, Wan Young. I was like, did I say Wan Young? Wan Young, my birthday twin. We birthday twins, y'all. Virgo season. Let's go. I get her. Oh, not in the wedding dress too. Oh, she a baddie. Oh. Oh. I love the like putting like different people in this like music video as well. Obviously, he's just showing that every person here are rebels in the heart. It's good to have a rebel, be a rebel. Oh. Was that a pout? I love her hair. Oh my god, I love her outfit. We just get ignore the fire. Is that a playground on fire? Is this an abandoned playground? Like, did they just randomly just lit up a whole ass jungle gym? Just finished. Oh my god. Oh, okay, boxing. Oh my god, I love the edits. I love her guinea pig and her lizard. I like this. It's very catchy as a chorus. Oh, graffiti. Okay, fashion. I was talking to Ray. Ooh. I just like that. Like, what is that? I like that a lot. A. Ah, love dive. Oh. Oh, she got all her pets in her room. She's comfortable. Aww. I hate when people cry because it always makes me sad, even though it's like happy tears or sad tears. For Wan Young. Aww. Aw, stick together. Rebels in our heart. Oh, so beautiful. What the hell? Sounds like a tuba. I don't think it was a tuba. This feels like an anthem type of song. Nah, I fully agree. I fully agree. Let me see. Oh, thank you for following. Thank you for following. Sounds like the daughter of I Am. Oh. Oh, people are already putting together Either Way plus Off the Record plus I Am equals Rebel Heart. Ah. Someone also wrote the song hits hard as Either Way. IVE has gone through the toughest time since their debut, but they never let it affect their work. They continue to concept the message of self-love, which I love. I think it's very beautiful. Which is a song. Oh, which is such a strong image, especially a big part of their fan base are kids who are also learning or needs to learn the message. I've always make music with a powerful message that sounds beautiful. So you can love me, hate me, you'll never be me. Try me, I'll break free. Ooh. Song. Good song for the new year. This is just a pre-release B-side. What? Oh my god. So there's gonna be more. There's gonna be a lot more. The lyrics are powerful. Good to see just K-pop idols and K-pop groups express such more of a, or even more self-love. All right, IVE. Rebel heart. We all got rebels in our heart. Live your dreams. Put some heart. Like I say, keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. As long as you put in that hard work in anything you do, whether it could be job related, it could be mental health related, it could be like family related, relationship related. You get the best out of it. I think so.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.